an author, blogger, or content creator, your social media bio is a crucial part of your online presence. So today, I'm going to share with you my top 3 things that you should include in your social media bio to attract your target audience and grow your online community. Number 1 is your name and professional branding. Start with a clear and concise name and a professional branding statement. This should tell visitors exactly who you are, what you do, and what kind of content they can expect from you. Number 2 is your area of expertise. So whether you're a lifestyle blogger, a tech YouTuber, a fiction author, make it clear what you specialize in. Number 3 is a call to action. This helps build your online community and grows your audience. By including these top 3 elements in your social media bio, you're building a strong foundation to attract your target audience and overall just grow your presence. Remember to keep it concise, clear, and up to date across all platforms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on building your online community.